Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing quick review of this Persuper portable personal size electric travel kettle. The size is 400 milliliters, has a fast boil, auto shut off and many interesting functions. Come with high quality 316 stainless steel, which makes it absolutely safe for all kind of liquids like milk, juice, coke, even coffee, soya bean milk, literally everything. Here we have even some description on the box. I think the model type is LW-K16. Here you see also the power requirements. It's only 300 watts. So even when you have a power outage or so and you have a power station, you could use something like that. While you can't use a normal boiler plate, this could also be really nice thing for an emergency situation. But of course you can also use it for daily travel, or you use it at home, bring it in your office, use it there and then take it back in the evening and use it at home again. So absolutely flexible. And so here we have some small instructions manual. I hope it's focusing more or less. You can read that if you're interested. And here's some more information in the back, but I'm going to show you that anyway. So here we have it, nicely protected. Comes also with some cleaning material. And it's a very beautiful device from top to bottom. So this could be also a very nice gift for the upcoming holiday season, for Christmas or so. Here at the bottom we have the opening for the power, also really nicely protected. Comes with this soft rubber ring, so it has super safe stand. On top we have the opening to drink. So if you just want to drink something, you can just flip this lid here. Very nice. Then we have also this carry handle. It's also very convenient. And we have these 4 valves here. So if you're using the steam function, the excess pressure will be released automatically here, so you don't have to be worried. Of course, we can also fully open to fill and clean or whatever you want to do. Here we have the power cord. So while it's still intended to be used for travel, it doesn't have like a charge or so, you will always have to use the normal 110 volts to heat it up, but it has a good insulation to keep everything warm. There is no minimum fill level, but we have this maximum of 450 milliliters. We can see that here. So I filled it up here with almost maximum water, and then we plug it in here. And now we can see we have the choice with this sensor button to adjust the desired temperature. We can either choose 120 degrees, 160 degrees, 195 or 212, which is boiling temperature in Fahrenheit. So it's really super nice with this absolutely awesome, super fancy display. So I'm putting it on boiling temperature and wait till it's heating up. So I'm starting the stopwatch here and I'm closing the lid, which is highly recommended, especially for boiling. And while it's heating up, we can see this cycling motion here, which indicates that it's still heating up. And so after some time, we can start hearing this boiling process. And we heard this beeping and now it has stopped. And it shows 212 degrees Fahrenheit, and we can see nothing happens. Very safe, absolutely no problem, not even some steam here on top. But of course it's still good to know that we have these safety valves here. By the way, you can see the time here. It took only about 6 minutes for the full kettle to heat up. And now let's pour in the hot water and you can see it's definitely super hot. You can see the steam here. And you can see it's very safe to pour in. It's not causing any mess. So we can use it for tea, coffee, whatsoever. Really nice. By the way, after the boiling process, the bottle gets a little bit warm. I mean, not super hot. I can still hold it, but you can definitely feel the heat. So I don't know how good it is really insulated. I mean, it's stainless steel and there is definitely some insulation, but I have no clue if it's really vacuum insulated. I guess not. And as long as we keep it plugged in, we can see it shows this 3 BBB as long as we are not touching it, and then it tries to keep the temperature. Unless we have selected boiling temperature, then it will go down a little bit to a safe temperature. But of course, as soon as we unplug it here, there is no electricity and it will just keep the temperature. So I think it's a really nice device. Yeah, it's super hot here. Yeah, from my side, full recommendation. And so if you're interested, I'll put down the link to the Amazon listing down into the description, so you can check it out and order it right from there if you like it. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.